In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for project management. Whether you're new to Airtable or looking for a more organized way to streamline your projects, this tutorial will guide you through the basics of setting up your project management system with ease. Airtable is a powerful tool that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the capabilities of a database. It's flexible and robust, making it an excellent choice for managing projects of any scale. Let's start by navigating to the Airtable homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a menu at the top of the screen. Your destination is the Templates and Apps option. By clicking here, you're opening the door to a wealth of resources designed to make your Airtable experience as effective as possible. Once inside the Templates and Apps section, you'll be greeted by a wide array of templates crafted for various purposes. But today, our focus is on project management, so you'll want to locate and select the Project Management category. These templates are designed to help you keep track of tasks, timelines, and everything in between. You'll find that each template offers a different layout and unique features tailored to various management needs, ensuring you have exactly what you need to start. After you click on Project Management, you'll be presented with a collection of pre-designed templates. These templates are fantastic because they provide a foundation on which you can build and customize to fit your specific project requirements. Now, find the template that resonates most with your project goals. Once you've identified the one you want to use, hover over it and click the Try This Template button. Once you've initiated the template, take some time to explore its structure and how it's set up. You'll notice that it includes different views and fields designed to help manage tasks, deadlines, and collaborators effectively. At this point, it's beneficial to take note of the potential adaptabilities. You're not bound by what you see. Each aspect of the template is customizable, meaning you can rename fields, add new columns, or even change the view to align better with your workflow. Tips to consider while working with your template include setting up specific columns that reflect your project's priorities. Such customizations might involve adding deadline fields, team responsibility columns, progress trackers, or resource links. It's okay to take your time here and personalize the setup. Remember, a little investment in setting it up exactly how you need will pay off immensely in efficiency and clarity. With this setup complete, you now have a reliable project management tool at your disposal. Airtable not only helps you stay on top of deadlines and tasks, but it also enhances team collaboration and ensures everyone stays on the same page. As you continue to work with Airtable, don't hesitate to explore other functionalities it offers. This exploration might include automated actions, detailed reporting, or even integration with other tools. And there you have it, a simple way to set up project management using Airtable. Keep practicing, experimenting, and soon enough, managing your projects can become a seamless component of your workflow. Thanks for watching.